If you want to create a step chart that looks something like this, it is very simple. Let me show you how it's done. So this is the dataset table that I want to make a step chart of, and this is the one that I'm gonna create like a temporary or a working table. So this is what you have to do. You have to exclude the first date, and then you select all of the dates like this. Ctrl C to copy in the clipboard, and you're gonna paste it over here on your new table here. Next, you're gonna copy the gas price. You're gonna copy from the beginning and exclude the last one. You're basically staggering the date and the price itself. Ctrl C to copy, and you're gonna paste it right here like this. Next, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna select everything on your dataset table from your original table itself. Ctrl C to copy, and go over here and Ctrl V to paste it. And now to draw the chart, place your cursor anywhere on your new dataset table here, and you press Ctrl A to select the whole dataset table. Go Insert, Chart. On the line chart, you're gonna select this line chart, and you have a step chart.